Beginner to advanced. Today we will discuss about promises in JavaScript. Promise is an object, it's something in JavaScript what happen in the future, and depend of a function, depend of a condition, and whether this condition is true. Now that means the promise will be it will be true and will be resolved, no, and if is don't pass the condition, will fail the promise and will be reject. When you create a function promise, you have in first part where you define the function, you have two parameters, resolve and reject, and after this in the second part you have where you handle this promise with then. Okay, let me to show you this promise with more than. I put in this promise more than because each then depends on the before then. Okay, I have here a promise, create a promise that simulate ordering pizza, no? And do you see this is first part, I discussed about it, first part, okay, where I define the function, I define the promise. It's like a function, no? Because I define the function, I define the promise, I call the function, I handle the promise, the second part. Okay, create in first part this variable order pizza and assign it an object, a promise. In this project promise you have two parameter, resolve, reject, and inside I put aside timeout because I want this code to execute about after 4 seconds, and if it's true this variable, now I display this and I resolve the promise, and if not display this. Okay, in the second part I have a chain of then because I don't have just one then, I have a chain. In the first then I have console log message. This message is a parameter, from resolve, no? Pizza is ready, because if I write here console.log message 1 2 3 4, because I put 4 seconds here, no, and set timeout, success, pizza is ready. When I handle, I have first line here, message, arrow function, console log, success message, success, pizza is ready, console.log. Okay, let me to put in this way, message variable is, and I put it with interpolate now. Let's see who is the message variable is pizza is ready. Okay, pizza is ready, I have in resolve, right, no? Okay, that means when I resolve, when the condition pass, when the condition is true, I execute the code from resolve and from that, no? Then is linked with resolved. Okay, but I didn't stop here, and I want to return another text cutting the pizza. Okay, I can delete this, for example. I stop here and let me to show. I delete this. Here I will comment to catch till catch shift alt A, and now again I count 4 times 1 2 3 4 because I put 4 seconds. Success, pizza is ready. I pass the condition from first part of promise, and I display pizza is ready. This is the message from then. Now I have this variable here, parameter. What do you want? This variable here I display, and here message. I want to know who is this message. Message variable is pizza is ready. My variable message is pizza is ready. This text. No? Okay. Let's return to my code now. Again I count to 4. 1 2 3 4. What happens? Message variable is pizza is ready. Correct. And I return this cutting the pizza. Just I return this text. I put here step 2 another variable. You can put what word do you want, with condition to put here the same. Step 2 console log step 2 cutting the pizza. Cutting the pizza is step 2. That means variable step 2 is from this part where I return, because if I put here console.log after I display it, I have console.log step 2 is step 2. What happened now? I display step 2 here, and after I want to show who is step 2. Step 2 variable is cutting the pizza. Where is cutting the pizza? Cutting the pizza is the text from first then. No? Okay. After I return again a text. Packing the pizza. This is variable step 3. Step 3. Return delivering the pizza. Put console log after I display. Now is step 3. Step 3. What happened? 1 2 3 4 1. Okay. Step 3 packing the pizza. Step 3 variable is packing the pizza. Step 3 variable is packing the pizza. Okay. Okay, of course you can let me to make a little updated here. For example, then here I return step 2. Step 2. I return step 2, and now if I execute, probably didn't open. Not okay. Correct is not okay because it's undefined. Step 2 and we let like before, no? With cutting the pizza, and now will work. When you should use this chain with then when you have an operation, and the next operation depends on operation before. For example, here I cutting the pizza, after I return packing the pizza, after I want to deliver the pizza, and so on, and I create that chain. But another good example with chain then is when you get the user data. For example, you firstly get the user data, after you would like to get their post, then you process the data and display the final message. I will show you another example with this then chain, where should to use this chain. This is simple. I have here a fetch. Fetch mean bring some data. Bring some data from this URL. Okay. This URL is located on a server, no? Okay. And firstly, I convert this in JSON response, and I take user is user with ID 1. This is user with ID 1. Then response JSON I convert in JSON. Then I want post, okay, for this ID, and in the app that are the post, and in final please show me message, okay, data was processed with success. Okay, again we have here a fetch with chain, then for chain, no, for then first I convert in JSON, after take ID and data, username, email, after I take the post, and in final I display a message. By 2 seconds. But if I want just this, I didn't need this, I want just post. I want just post, this post. And if I want after post, I want to take users, first I want take users, and I put again then user console log user 7. It's a problem here. have here fetch, then user, and if I delete this, I want just user ID. Here okay, I take just user ID, and after this I want to take post, and I use another than. I take the post, okay, undefined. Okay, user, post, okay, 2 seconds. Sorry, credo. Okay, why this is undefined post? I delete again this, I execute it, I have user ID. I delete this, I have user. Okay, I convert here in response in JSON. I take with then user one. Acolo. Probably should to convert again in JSON. Let's see. I don't. I convert again the response in JSON. No, is not okay. a second to check something. Why posts are undefined? The second then where I log post, I don't receive the data. I receive console log. Okay, should to return fetch. But where user okay, my fault because I have a then chain, and after each then should to return something, no? In my case should to return this fetch. Here I return. That was all for today. I hope you understand what I discuss here. All the best. Have a nice day.